Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix the communication error of sparking 0. So this 2E795EC5 error. So to fix that, first of all, what we'll have to do is we'll have to flush our DNS, and to do that you'll have to open your command prompt and run as administrator. So after it runs, you'll have to type in this command ipconfig space / and then flush DNS and then press enter. So as you will see, Windows IP configuration successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. So after that we'll have to fix our DNS. So to do that, so what we'll have to do is we'll have to type control panel from the search at the bottom. Go press on control panel and then go to network and Ethernet and then go to network and sharing center. So here you will see your connection type, if it is Wi-Fi or Ethernet. So press on this. So from this Ethernet status menu you'll have to press on properties, and then you'll see this Internet Protocol version 4, which is IP version 4. Right click, press on that, and then go to properties, and you'll see this DNS option here. Use the following DNS server. So you'll have to select this, and in the preferred DNS server you'll have to press 8888, and then in alternate you'll have to go for 8844 and then press OK, and you can try if the error has been fixed or not. So these are the two methods that you can try to fix your online issue in Sparking 0. That is all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.